lot of customers ask on why do we need to replace hatches. So one key thing that I always come back to is with this carpeted application, everything wraps around the hatch and the boat. And so in these colder climates like this, you can't actually open the hatch itself. And so with having an Aft-Tek application, we actually make and design these hatches specific for each boat. So we'll actually make them bigger, making a consistent gap all the way through the entire boat and hatch, and then we're able then to put Aquatraction on top of it. So we won't run into where we can't open these latches up.